Hey everybody, I'm Mike from Service Alliance Group, and I couldn't wait to jump on here and just share some really exciting news on a new feature we have for our All Access members. And I wanted to show that to you live and just get it out there and see what everybody thinks. I think it's really cool. So, we've created an AI appliance triage tool, and you can use this tool to diagnose any machine that you need. Um, let's get right into it. So, to get there, just go to the members area. Again, this is for all access members only. If you're not a member of the Service Alliance Group and you want access to tools like this, along with our SOPs and business courses and a host of other programs, vendor programs, join our all access membership and you'll be able to get in here too. All right, go to all access and then AI Appliance Triage. We've developed the world's first appliance triage using AI, and we're leveraging the power of artificial intelligence so that we can, make life easier for you as an appliance repair tech. So this brings you to the form, and we've got some disclaimers here. Obviously, it's AI. There could be some untrue or false things every once in a while, but we need your feedback as all access members. Help us to make this better. It is in beta right now, so obviously keep that in mind. Now, we've just got a simple form here, type of appliance, brand, model, and what the problem is. So what I've done is I've gone through our requests for manuals. And these are real requests that people are having with real appliances, and they're trying to solve an issue, and they're stuck. So they either need the service manual, or they just don't understand how to do something on the appliance. Maybe put it in diagnostic mode, etc. So I've gone through our Facebook group at Appliance Alliance Facebook group and looked for some real world things from the community that are, questions. People are stuck on some things. I've looked through our document requests and from our members and just grabbed some real world issues. So if I'll show you some examples here on how this works and what happens. So we'll grab a Samsung fridge model, and in this case, I'm just copy and pasting from another document that I've got everything set up. So in this case, they need to know how to force the defrost on the ice maker only. So we're going to put that in there, click submit, bam. We've got all the instructions directly immediately. Gives you some pretty good things. We've got this AI trained on a massive amount of data for the appliance repair industry, and it's been trained, beyond what we've trained it even with. So we've been testing it on the back end internally for, a few weeks, and it's pretty accurate. So we think you guys are going to end up liking this. Let's try another. This is a Whirlpool fridge. Grab the model number. And the more information that you put into this field, the better your response is going to be, the more accurate it'll be. But this guy said, I just have an erratic loss of cooling. And even though erratic is misspelled, it's going to understand that. So the better your input here, the better your results are going to be. But look what it did. It tells you the troubleshooting steps. It tells you the potential repair procedures. And if it knows what the service manual number is, or the wiring diagram part number is, it's going to give that to you so that you can now go to servicealliancegroup.com and you can go to our manuals library and you can search for that document number and pull it up if you need the service manual. So it's giving you a lot more information than what you would normally ever have available to you. Now, how is this cool for you as a business owner? You could have your CSR come in here. You could have them use this, and they could pregame based on what your customer's calling in, saying that the condition is XYZ. They can pop it in here. They can do this triage. They can your CSR can copy and paste this into the notes into your schedule, and your techs already have it. So how cool is that? Let's try another one that's not a refrigerator. So let's try something a little longer. So this one's a GE dishwasher. Grab the model number. Now, with this one, this came right out of our community. I'm going to just show this on screen and read it real quick. This came right out of our Facebook community, and I copied and pasted everything that they were having issues with. This is a direct copy and paste from their Facebook post. So it's quite long, and when I paste it into this field, you won't be able to read it all, but they've gone through a lot of different diagnostics already. They've replaced some parts, and things are still having different conditions, and they're just literally stuck, and they're not sure exactly what the problem is. Now, I'm doing this live for the first time with you, so you're seeing the results for the first time just like I am. So I'm going to paste all of that in there, and it's going to recognize what's already been done, what needs to be done as next steps. It's going to explain some things, and it's going to give you every possible situation and scenario that it can possibly give you that makes sense to do. So maybe this person's already checked the door latch. They can skip that. Maybe they've tested it. Then you just move on to the next steps, right? So it's going to walk you through step-by-step procedures, and in most cases, it automatically starts with the most simple things. So it's not going to start with a control board every time. It's like check A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And it's just going to methodically walk you through the process. So it's pretty cool. I thought I'd show it to everybody. Nobody else on the market has anything remotely like this. We are the first to do something as cutting edge as this, and we want all of you to access this. If you're not an all access member, go ahead and join. You're going to get access to this. This is going to save you so much time and so much money and frustration. You got newer techs, or you're a newer tech yourself, this is a game changer. So servicealliancegroup.com, get over there, get access, and log in to the members area. Go to all access. You'll see the menu item right at the top, and that's how you access this form. So check it out. We appreciate your feedback on the accuracy, and you can always email us at info@servicealliancegroup.com to provide feedback for us, and we really appreciate you guys.